In life, I want you to dress well in every situation. Anywhere, everywhere, I'm going to be on your shoulder telling you, yo, you better look good. See, because it matters. It matters so much that what you wear will change how people hear what you say. Let me explain further. See, that halo effect, it is powerful. If you look sloppy, everything you say in that frame will be perceived through that negative light. Let me give you a great example of this. If you got a sharp dressed dude, right, nicely tailored suit, dude's hopping off of his Lamborghini, you guys go for coffee together and he tells you about the next greatest market shift that's happening in our economy. You're listening. You're paying attention. Now let's flip the roles. Now let's say it's the dude that hasn't left his hometown high school, hopping out of his 1994 Civic. You guys are also going to Starbucks for coffee, and he's about to tell you about this great market opportunity. Now that's a pyramid scheme. See, the first guy, you're listening, you're thinking, yo, this guy's about to drop some knowledge. The second guy, you think he's about to scam you. This halo effect happens in every aspect of your life. Your dating, your business, your relationships, meaning the clothing that you wear will affect how people perceive what you're saying. It's going to change whether they're listening or mocking you. 2, you set the tone. See, when you wear good clothing, you get to set the tone in every single room. And so many men are scared of like, man, I just don't want to overdress for this situation. Who cares, bro? You are setting that benchmark in every situation you are inviting to. And if anything, people will have to feel like they need to level up to meet your standard, or will not feel as good, which is just elevating your confidence. 3, people will want to stick around you. See, it's just pleasant being around attractive people. You know that. That's a no-brainer. It's part of that halo effect, right? When you like something, you want to be around that something. And what I love about that is that you can affect that through every sense, especially through how they smell. See, this is why I love fragrances, because it's the easiest way to change people's perception of you, of how formal, of how good you are presenting yourself, and get them to stick around. Bro, if you don't have a powerful fragrance, you already know. That's what I do with Santa Lucia. That's why I got you covered. See, with Santa Lucia, I wanted to design our dark collection to be 3 independent fragrances that didn't smell like your Dior Sauvage or your Versace Eros, which, by the way, they're great fragrances, but everybody smells the same. I wanted you to smell different and smell amazing. I wanted you to smell so good that people wanted to stick around. So if you're the dude that doesn't have a good fragrance collection, look no further, right? You don't have to go looking, all right, what fragrance do I need for the office? Which one do I need for dating? I got you covered. Those 3 scents will cover you through every aspect of your life. And here's the best part. All our scents are expensive. I'm being honest, right? They're handmade in France with oils from Italy and France. Like, I don't cut corners. They're also at 21% oil concentration. Most fragrances, like your Eros and stuff like that, they'll be anywhere from like 8 to 15%. See, the less oil and the more alcohol, the cheaper it is. I give you more oil, less alcohol, so it lasts you longer throughout the day. So yes, they're expensive. The whole set will be expensive, but for today only, boys, for the next 24 hours, if you want a solid fragrance collection, I'm going to give you 40% off. Bro, that's basically half. Basically, 40% off just today. Plus, if you shop today, I'm going to give you a free car diffuser. Meaning, if you shop today, not only are you going to get the set as a steal, you're going to get our oil car diffuser, so even your car smells good. When you get your chick in your car, she ain't going to want to go nowhere, bro. 4, it's a sign of respect. And it's a sign of respect to 2 people. It's a sign of respect to you, self-respect. It shows that you care about yourself, but it's a sign of respect to other people as well, because it shows that you want to be there. Think about it this way. If I'm on a date with a chick, and that chick pulls up bummy, it looks like she didn't even shower, no makeup, hair not done. First of all, I just wouldn't sit there for that disrespect. I ain't gonna be there paying for a dinner trying to impress a girl that didn't even put the effort to show up. Bro, same thing happens to you. When you show up to a date, the amount of effort you put into your appearance is just a sign to her that you actually want to be there. And it happens everywhere. Number 5, it's the fastest way to become more attractive. Look, you can't change your genetics. I mean, sure, you could get plastic surgery, but it's expensive. and it's painful, and it's gonna take long, right? So the best thing to do to morph your appearance is your clothing. And this is what I've loved about clothing since day one, since I started when I was 16, 17. What I've loved about clothing is that you can highlight your best features and hide your worst features. You can literally mold the perception of how you look depending on the fit of your clothing. It's the fastest way to look more attractive, bro. Which ultimately takes me to number 6. It affects how you think. And you've known the feeling, right? Go back to your first day of school. When you would go on that first day of high school or whatever it was, after a long summer, you have your fit down pat. You know exactly how you're color matching, what sneakers, what top. When you throw that fit on, how do you feel? You feel like the man. Take back to that first time you wore a tailored suit. You throw it on, you throw on the white shirt, boom, boom, boom. Oh, damn, you look like James Bond, right? It affects how you think, and this is scientifically proven. See, it was scientifically proven that those men that dressed more formal for their job positions were able to think more abstractly and were better at problem solving. Similar to doctors, similar to men that would throw on a lab coat like a doctor does, they were able to focus better on their tasks. See, the clothing that you wear, the exterior, it affects your interior. When that self-perception goes up, you actually end up performing in the real world, which is insane, which is why you should dress well everywhere and anywhere.